Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of Remitly app. We click on settings, this first page of settings, we click here. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find this window of Remitly app. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then we go to Play Store and you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us.